welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can plan in your planner without using stickers. Buying stickers for your happy planner is kind of a big commitment. A sticker book can be anywhere from $10 to $20 to sometimes even $40 or $50 if you get one of the big ones. You can definitely find stickers at places like Dollar Tree or Target Dollar Spot, and that's a cheaper alternative. You can also make your own stickers if you have a printer at home, but not everybody does have a printer. One of the big problems with buying stickers is that you spend $20 on the sticker book and it's fun, but you have to remember that once you place those stickers down and move on to the next week, you cannot get those stickers back. Eventually you're gonna run out of stickers and you're gonna have to go back to the store and buy another one. But with the tools that I'm gonna use today, you can reuse them over and over again. So you can either cut out the need for stickers or just limit it. The first tool that I think is really useful if you wanna cut out the need for stickers or eliminate them are stamps. Here I have one stamp kit that it's by Recollection. I got these stamps, this acrylic presser, and this ink pad all for $3. A lot of people use these for bullet journaling, but you can use them in your planner as well. These are another pair of stamp sets I got, and these were $3 each, also by Recollections at Michael's. And this one is really cute because it has those icons, but they're a little bit bigger than the other one. So this one would work in a classic size or in a big size. This one's more for a mini, but I use this in my classic because I like when the icons are very small. The next tool that I would like to share with you guys are stencils. I use stencils every time I plan. So I have this large alphabet one. This one is from Dollar Tree, so this was only $1. And I really like the font on it. They also had a smaller version and an even larger version than this. And it was only $1. It's flexible, it's affordable, and as long as you have a thin pen of any type or even a marker or a crayon, you can use these in your planner. The next stencil set that I have, I use weekly. And it's this stencil set that I got from Amazon. It comes with, I think, 15 different stencil sheets, and I got all of these for only $6 on Amazon. I have this page in my planner that is unused. During this week I planned in my big planner. I didn't plan in my classic, so it's blank. I'm gonna use this page to plan out kind of a fake week because I've already planned out for next week, so I'm gonna plan out like an imaginary week to show you how I would plan using only stamps and stencils. Let's say Friday we have a birthday party to go to. So let's start with these 3 boxes. Let's say we have 3 main events going on this week. A doctor's appointment, a meeting at work, and a party to attend. I'm gonna use this one for the meeting at work because I wouldn't want to use an entire big box to mark a meeting at work. I'm gonna use this one for a, let's go with dentist appointment, and this one's gonna be for the birthday. So we're gonna have a birthday party on Friday. I'm gonna go into my icon stickers and I'm gonna start with the birthday party because that sounds the most fun. start to map out the smaller things. Maybe we have to buy a birthday gift for Naomi's birthday party. So let's make a little to-do list for Thursday, and let's say we have to go to Target. Okay, so I think I finished with all my stamps. I'm just gonna do some stenciling now. If you purchase the stencil set that I'm linking down below, this one is number 9, and it is my favorite. It has all the icons that I use. final result. I colored it in. I didn't go crazy with coloring, and I made it kind of messy. I didn't try to stay inside the lines because since it's all handwritten, not everything looks perfect, so the coloring doesn't have to be perfect. If you prefer yours to look very perfect and inside the lines, then it would probably look really nice. What I did here is I used a yellow highlighter to really bring out the big events. So what I did, I tried to use a lot of pink. Pink is my favorite color. I used yellow to highlight the big events, so 10,000K and the birthday party. I used orange for the coffee and the pizza down here just to add in some extra color. There's already blue and green, so I didn't add any more of those except these green little polka dots. And I really like it. I hope you like it also. I hope this video showed you that you don't need stickers to plan in a happy planner or any planner. And if bullet journaling is a little intimidating for you, because it is for me, to have a completely blank page and have to do everything from scratch, these stamps and stencils really helped me, so I hope they help you too. And I'm gonna link everything in the description box down below. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, you can leave a thumbs up or a comment with your feedback. Make sure to check out the description box for all the links to all these products and other products that I use. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.